our next company, MagrowTec, to come up and pitch to us this great mechanical innovation. Big cheer.
Hello everyone, I'm Gary Wickham, the CEO and founder of MagrowTec. The good news is I'm not going to talk about biostimulants. We do not make biologic products, we make biologics work better. So we're not in the business of chemistry, microbes or products. We're a system that delivers those products better. In fact, we're the delivery layer for everybody that's been talking here for the last couple of days. On the right, you're going to look at an image that's very common today, right? Stressed farmers, higher machine hours, costs, labour, regulation, restrictions around buffer zones, spray windows, and then even these new software chemistries that you guys are responsible for, they tend to be more expensive. So a farmer gets up every day and goes, how can I use my existing kit with the new chemistries within budget and do it right first time? And that's the question we answer. So the good news is I'm not going to talk about the science, because I need about 4 hours. What I can say about our product is it's a retrofit system. It goes onto every sprayer. We've done every brand. You put in new sprayers, old sprayers. We've been doing it for 5 years. Compelling ROI. And what we do when you pass the fluid through it is we condition the spray fluid, and we deliver more of the right size droplets that you let exodrift into the air or scatter drift that doesn't bounce or scatter onto a weed or a crop. But you've less waste, better efficacy coverage, and incredibly good drift control. And so it also works for every tank fluid, including biologics. Okay? Proven in the field. This is probably the most important slide that you're going to look at here during my presentation. What does it look like in the field? Well, this is a biologic product, and our partners, Contact Bio, have a brilliant bioherbicide called Firehawk that we've been working on. And this simple study was done in a field, burned down, used on the left you're looking at conventional spray, same nozzles, boom height, pressures, environmental conditions, and Firehawk. On the right, the only difference is MagrowTec. This is a burn down 1 day, getting down to the lowest affected volume, which is significant, and you can see how effective it is. The other thing is that we've got the highest drift accreditation in the world, 97.5% TCT in the Dutch authorities. We did work with ILVO this year, and again, repeated those sort of numbers. So not only do we do compelling coverage, we minimise drift and get more of that product on target. Why is that important? Well, if you're going to sell these products to farmers, the last thing they want is more machine hours, more labour hours, and those things are getting more expensive. You need to be able to do it right first time, and that's what we help you to do. So, what is our ask? Well, it's very simple. I'm going to go back to this slide. I'm hoping it goes backwards. Yeah. If you're interested in landing on the right-hand side rather than the left-hand side, you need to come and talk to us. Because even though biologics is the future for this industry, we'll see if I get to my last slide. Not behaving. Anyway, if you want to make sure that you land on the right-hand side there, and if you are going to be the future of this industry, crop protection and biologics, we are the reason they're going to work in the field. That's my presentation. Thanks for listening.